Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this FK8 Civic Type R in for Eibach Sportline Spring upgrade. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also a notification bell, then you won't miss when any of our new videos go live. So installing the Eibach Sportline Springs, so we're dropping the front and rear, or Eibach quote a drop at the front and the rear of 25mm. So it's 25mm all around on this particular car, so give it a lot more aggressive stance, and then also the spring rates are optimized a little bit more as well, obviously for performance bias rather than comfort as well. So this particular customer is also going for the fast road wheel alignment with a bit more of a bias to the track as well, because he uses it on quite a lot of track days, but it still needs the car to be sort of like predictable on the road, so we're going to get a nice balance between the two. You might notice that we've had this particular car in a couple of times before. We've done some brake upgrades on it, and then also done stage 1 software, HKS intercooler, Venturi intake. So if you want to see any of those videos, we'll put a link in the description, or we'll put like a card up somewhere and you'll be able to click on that and view that video as well. But for now, we're going to get the car in the workshop and show you the Eibach springs and then get them fitted as well. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so we've got the FK8 Civic Type R on the ramps behind us, just starting to disassemble the suspension just before installing the Eibach Sportline Springs. So obviously we've got them out here in front of us, and we haven't got the standard springs removed as of yet, so we can't show you a direct comparison, but these are obviously the Eibach Sportline Springs. So these are going to replace the factory parts, so they're going to be a little bit shorter, and then also the spring rate is going to be a little bit higher as well. So you get the drop in ride height, and then also the sort of like more like improved handling with the higher spring rate or optimized spring rates as well. So this is obviously the Sportline kit, so this is a little bit lower than the Pro kit. So if you find at the end of the video the ride height might be a little bit low for you, we can also supply different spring kit, so the ride height's a little bit higher as well, but this one is the lower option. So we're going to get this fitted and let us know what you think at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.